Hey there, my incredible viewers. Welcome back to Money Buys Freedom, the place where we explore exciting ways to make money online, grow our businesses, and achieve financial freedom. Today's video is going to be absolutely mind-blowing as I'm going to share my personal journey of how I turned my online hustle into a six-figure income. Yep, you heard it right, 6 figures. But before we dive into the nitty-gritty details, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss any of our money-making content. Let's rewind to where it all began. I was just an ordinary person with a burning desire to escape the 9-to-5 grind and take control of my financial future. And trust me, if I can do it, so can you. It all started with the realization that the internet is an endless sea of opportunities. Back then, I was dabbling in different online ventures, freelancing, blogging, and even dropshipping. But it was affiliate marketing that truly changed the game for me. I started small, promoting products I was genuinely passionate about, and it gradually evolved into a full-blown income stream. Fast forward a few years, and I hit the magical 6-figure milestone. My online income journey had transformed from a side hustle into a full-time, life-changing endeavor. But how did I get there? Let's break down the numbers and scenarios for you. In my first year of affiliate marketing, I made around $10,000. Not too shabby, right? But here's the kicker. I didn't stop there. I kept optimizing my strategies, honing my skills, and learning from my mistakes. Year after year, my income steadily increased. By year 3, I was making around $40,000 annually. That's when I knew I was onto something big. My audience had grown, and I had diversified my affiliate partnerships to cover multiple niches. Now, let's fast forward to the present. I'm proud to say that I've reached the 6-figure income mark, earning over $100,000 per year through affiliate marketing alone. And I'm going to share some of the tips and tricks that helped me get there. All right, let's dive into the meaty part of this video, my top tips and tricks for achieving a 6-figure online income through affiliate marketing. Choose the right niche. The first step is to pick a niche you're genuinely passionate about. This ensures that you'll stay motivated even when times get tough. I started with a niche I loved, and that made all the difference. Quality over quantity. It's not about bombarding your audience with affiliate links. Instead, focus on delivering high-quality, valuable content. Gain your audience's trust, and they'll be more likely to click your affiliate links. Diversify your partnerships. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Partner with multiple affiliate programs and products within your niche. This minimizes risk and increases your earning potential. Consistency is key. Building a successful affiliate marketing income takes time. Be consistent with your content creation, promotion, and optimization efforts. Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither is a 6-figure income. Optimize for conversions. Learn the art of conversion rate optimization. Test different strategies, calls to action, and placement of your affiliate links to see what works best for your audience. Leverage multiple platforms. Don't limit yourself to just one platform. Explore various channels like blogs, YouTube, social media, and email marketing to reach a wider audience. Invest in education. The online landscape is constantly evolving. Invest in your knowledge and skills through courses, webinars, and books. Staying updated is crucial. All right, I know you're eager to know how I earned 6 figures, so let's break down my income streams and the numbers. Affiliate marketing. As I mentioned earlier, affiliate marketing is my bread and butter. I promote products and services I believe in and earn commissions on every sale. This alone brings in a substantial portion of my income, around $80,000 annually. Ad revenue. On top of affiliate marketing, I also earn from ad revenue on platforms like YouTube and my blog. This adds another $15,000 to $20,000 to my annual income. Digital products. I've created and sell my own digital products, ebooks, courses, and templates. These bring in an additional $10,000 to $15,000 yearly. Consulting and coaching. I offer one-on-one consulting and coaching services to budding affiliate marketers. This niche expertise earns me another $5,000 to $10,000 per year. So, when you add it all up, I'm comfortably sitting at a six-figure income of over $100,000 annually. And remember, this didn't happen overnight. It took years of hard work, learning, and dedication. Now you might be wondering what's next. Well, my journey is far from over. My goal is to not only maintain my six-figure income, affiliate marketing efforts into new niches and explore emerging trends. Additionally, I'm working on launching more digital products and scaling up my consulting services. But here's the most exciting part. I want to help you achieve your financial goals as well. That's why I'm committed to creating more content, courses, and resources to guide you on your own journey to financial freedom. And there you have it, my incredible viewers. My six-figure online income story, complete with tips, earnings, and my future goals. I hope this video has not only inspired you, but also given you valuable insights into how you can achieve your financial dreams. Remember, the journey to financial freedom is a marathon, not a sprint. Stay persistent, keep learning, and never give up. If I can turn my passion into a six-figure income, you absolutely can too. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that thumbs up button, subscribe, and share it with your friends who need some inspiration on their financial journey. Thanks for joining me today, and I'll catch you in the next video, where we'll explore more exciting ways to make money online and live life on your terms. Until then, keep hustling and chasing those dreams.